Hi, I'm Brendan. Let me show you around the University Terraces and our facilities. Welcome to the Terraces Laundry with our beautiful new machines. Things to keep in mind: keep it neat and tidy, it's a shared facility. Don't leave your wet clothes in the machine. And if there's an issue, report it to maintenance so we can fix it as quick as we can. In the laundry, you'll find a poster guide on the wall to help you with topping up your account and logging in. Each machine has individual instructions for how to use it. To operate the laundry, use your phone to scan the QR code on the individual machine. Use your ZID and UniPass credentials to log in, or for NIDA students, use your special entry ID. Then, you select your machine and pay for the washing. You place the detergent into the drawers, softeners or bleach, and then you select the cycle you need: temperature, load, and the type of wash. The dryers work in much the same way. The lint left in the dryer is a fire hazard. If allowed to build up, it will catch fire. Make sure to clean it before and after use and dispose it into the garbage bin, not the sinks. Here we are in the laundry. There's a vending machine here for you to use. You can pay by card or coins. We're in level 1 of the terraces. Here we have the shared kitchen facility. There's ovens, there's a sink, there's a fridge, all for you to use. Just make sure you keep it neat and tidy. Welcome to the level 1 lounge area. You can come here to relax, to study. There's lots of couches for you. Just be mindful, between 11 PM and 8 AM, it's quiet time. This is the terraces study room. Here is a quiet space where you can use the whiteboard facilities. It's got air conditioning, there's a projector, and there's also a communal library for you to enjoy. On every floor, in both the east and west wings, there are private study spaces called the Winter Gardens. You're welcome to use these spaces to study. Just make sure you follow the capacity numbers and clean up after you finish. Just be mindful of the noise in the terraces. If you have any noise complaints, contact UNSW Security and see our other video. When disposing garbage, make sure to use the correct bin. Blue is for paper and cardboard. The red bin is for general waste that's larger, and the rubbish chute is for small bags of general waste. Here's the mail room. It's located on both east and west sides, just through this door. If there's mail in your box from a previous resident, make sure to put it in the return to sender box located in both mail rooms. Australia Post also has a post office located in Upper Campus, behind the main library, at F22. Here you can collect any parcels that weren't delivered to your address. We recommend using the Amazon lockers or Amazon pickup, located down the road in Kensington. You can also use Australia Post's free parcel lockers, which are located all around UNSW. In doing this, it will help make sure your mail is delivered securely. If you have guests over, you can use the intercom located at both the east and west ground floor lobbies to buzz them in. They simply need to dial your room number and then hit the bell or call button. Just remember, if you have guests staying overnight, you need to fill out the visitor registration form located on StarRes. There's also printer services located on level 1 next to the lifts. First, scan your card or enter your ZID number. Then enter your PIN. Then you can select the task you wish to do. You can copy, scan to email or print. Just make sure you upload any files to UNSW Wireless Printing prior to printing. Let's take you to the library where you can top up your student card. The closest library to UNSW Terraces is the Law Library, located at F21. If you get lost, just look it up UNSW Law Library on Google Maps and follow our interactive map. To top up your card, first select Add Value, then tap your student ID. This screen will show your current balance. You can select your top-up amount and choose to pay by PayWave or EFTPOS. Wi-Fi is available throughout campus, including inside UNSW Apartments. To connect, first select the network uni-wide and enter your ZID with the Z. Use your password the same as your email address or MyUNSW. If you're experiencing problems connecting to the internet, you can contact the IT Hub. They're located on campus and can be reached via phone, email or in person. For great coffee on campus, there's Stellini's, there's May's and there's Village Cafe, all located under the terraces. Let's go. For groceries, there's the IGA under UNSW Terraces. There's also Coles and Woolworths at Randwick, which is great. And for those wanting Aldi and a larger shopping centre, you can head to East Gardens.
If you're sick or unwell, you can come to our pharmacy. We're open Mondays to Fridays from 9 till 5 p.m.
If you need support, either for physical health or mental health, there's the UNSW Health Service. There's also UNSW Psychology and Wellbeing, both on campus, free for all students. So we're at the UNSW Health Service, located in the quadrangle on the middle of campus. Students can come here for medical advice, prescriptions or any other issues that they might be having. It's free for all Australian citizens, and for international students it's covered by all insurance. So here we're at UNSW Psychology and Wellness Centre. You can find a time to book online and there's more information available on their website. They're located just next to the Bassett Steps. So here we're at the Student Nucleus, the student hub for all services on campus. Here you can get ID cards, you can get any help with enrolment, scholarships or anything like that. There's weekend parking underneath the terraces in the basement. For Monday to Friday, PhD and research students can go online to the V-permit system and get a parking spot. Else, under the terraces you can park your motorbike or bicycle. For lockouts or any emergencies, you can contact UNSW Security via phone, or they're just across the road from the terraces. This is the Terraces office. It's located on level 1 next to the lounge. I'm here a few days and nights a week during term. You can come by for any help. You can also contact me via email. Don't be shy, drop by and say hi.